Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Ford Fiesta window. First, let's diagnose the problem. Does the window motor make any sound when you press the switch? If not, it could be an electrical issue, perhaps a blown fuse or a faulty switch. If you hear a whirring sound but the window doesn't move, the window regulator or motor might be the culprit. A quick check of the fuse box can often reveal a simple solution. Now let's get to the heart of the matter, removing the door panel. You'll typically find a few screws hidden under trim pieces, often behind the door handle or armrest. Once these are out, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for the window switch and other components. Then, using a trim removal tool, gently pry the panel away from the door, releasing the clips. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the door panel off, you'll see the window regulator and motor assembly. First, carefully detach the window glass from the old regulator. You might need to support the glass with tape or a wedge. Next, unbolt the old regulator and motor, typically held by 4 or 5 bolts. Install your new assembly, ensuring it's securely fastened. Connect the electrical plug to the new motor before proceeding. Almost done. Before fully reassembling, reconnect all electrical connectors to the door panel and temporarily test the window's operation. Make sure it moves smoothly up and down without any binding. Once confirmed, carefully reattach the door panel, ensuring all clips snap into place and the screws are tightened. This final check ensures everything works perfectly before you button it all up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.